हेलो वेलकम एभ्रिवान। आज हामी नेपाल इन्जिनियरिङ काउन्सिल रजिस्ट्रेसन एक्जामिनेसनका लागि इरिगेसन एन्ड ड्रेनेज भन्ने टपिकबाट केही प्रश्नहरू मोडल क्वेसन्सहरू लिएर आएका छौँ। क्वेसन नम्बर 1 रहेको छ, इफ द डिस्चार्ज रिक्वायर्ड फर डिफरेन्ट क्रप्स ग्रोन इन अ फिल्ड इज 0.4 क्युमेक्स एन्ड द क्यापासिटी फ्याक्टर एन्ड टाइम फ्याक्टर आर 0.8 एन्ड 0.5 द डिजाइन डिस्चार्ज फर द डिस्ट्रिब्युटरी विल बी भनेको छ। चारवटा अप्सन पनि दिएको छ र यसको सोलुसन भनेको चाहिँ डिजाइन डिस्चार्ज अफ डिस्ट्रिब्युटरी भनेको डिस्चार्ज इन फिल्ड ओभर टाइम फ्याक्टर इन्टु क्यापासिटी फ्याक्टर हुन्छ। 0.4 बाई 0.5 इन्टु 0.8 गर्दाखेरि 1 क्युमेक्स आउँछ है। र यसको एन्सर चाहिँ अप्सन बी 1 क्युमेक्स रहेको छ। क्वेसन नम्बर 2 रहेको छ, द फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट वाटरिङ अफ क्रप इज युजली कल्ड। यसलाई चाहिँ हामी कोर वाटरिङ भन्छौँ। क्वेसन नम्बर 3, द अप्टिमम डेप्थ अफ कोर वाटरिङ फर राइस। अप्सन ए 25 सेन्टिमिटर, अप्सन बी 19 सेन्टिमिटर, अप्सन सी 13.5 सेन्टिमिटर, अप्सन डी 9 सेन्टिमिटर रहेको छ। र यसको राइट एन्सर रहेको छ 19 सेन्टिमिटर। द क्रप आउट अफ विच इज अ क्यास क्रप भनेको छ। द क्रप आउट अफ विच इज नट अ क्यास क्रप भनेको छ। यसको राइट एन्सर चाहिँ जुट, टी, राइस र सुगर क्यानमा हामीले राइस भन्न सक्छौँ। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेसन इज लेबर एक्ट इन नेपाल 2074, 2060, 2056 र अप्सन डीमा 2048। यो चाहिँ 2074 हो है। द वाटर विच क्यान बी युटिलाइज बाई द क्रप्स फ्रम द सोइल इज कल्ड ए फिल्ड क्यापासिटी वाटर, बी क्यापिलरी वाटर, सी हाइग्रोस्कोपिक वाटर र डी नन अफ द एबभ। फिल्ड क्यापासिटी वाटर, क्यापिलरी वाटर, हाइग्रोस्कोपिक वाटर र नन अफ द एबभ। यसको राइट एन्सर क्यापिलरी वाटर। क्वेसन नम्बर 7, द मोइस्चर हेल्ड बाई वेल ड्रेन्ड सोइल अगेन्स्ट gravity drainage by the force of surface tension between the soil grains and water drops is called A. Field capacity water, B. Capillary water, C. Hygroscopic water and D. None of the above. The right answer is capillary water. Question number 8. Permanent wilting point moisture content for a crop represents option A. Field capacity water, B. Capillary water, C. Hygroscopic water, D. None of the above. The right answer is hygroscopic water. Question number 9. The optimum depth of core watering for a crop is 15.12 cm. The outlet factor for the crop for 4-week period is in hectares per cubic is option A 1000, option B 1200, option D 1400, option D 1600 cubics. So the answer for this question is delta is equal to 8.64 B by del. So substituting the values, we have delta is given 0.1512 meter and the B is given 28 days. That's 4 weeks. 4 weeks is equal to 28 days. So the outlet factor for the crop is 1600 hectare per cubic. Option D. Question number 10. Irrigation canals are generally aligned along option A ridge line, option B contour line, option C valley line, option D straight line. So the right answer is ridge line. Question number 11. What is the dimension of Chase's coefficient C in Chase's formula? L to the power 1 by 2 t to the power minus 1. Option B L square t to the power minus 1. Option C L to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 1. And option D LT. The right answer is L to the power 1 by 2 T to the power minus 1. In gravity canal, full supply level is always at ground level, below the ground level, a few centimeter above the ground level, or 4 to 5 meter above ground level. The right answer is option C, a few centimeter above the ground level. Question number 13. In Lesy's regime theory, the regime velocity is proportional to q by f square, qf square to the power 1 by 6, q to the power 1 by 6 by f, or option D, none. The right answer is B, qf square to the power 1 by 6. Full supply level of a canal at its head with respect to parent channel is kept, option B, 15 centimeter lower. Question number 15. According to Khosla, the exit gradient of surface flow, option A, depends on B by D, independent of B by D, independent of depth of downstream cut of wall, or option D, none of the above. The right answer to the question is none of the above. The sequent depth is always less than alternative subcritical depth, option B, more than alternative subcritical depth, option C, equal to alternative subcritical depth, or option D, none. The right answer to the question is less than alternative subcritical depth. Question number 17. Retrogression is the lowering of river bed of stream of where during initial year of construction. Question number 18. A river training work is generally required when the river is meandering, aggrading, degrading, all of the above. The right answer is meandering. Question number 19. Canal drops are required to dissipate excess land slope. Question number 20. The type of fall recommended for very low drops and very high. The type of fall recommended for very high drops and very low discharge is English fall. Question number 21. The energy dissipation in English fall is caused by option A, a pool of water, option B, a hydraulic jump, option C, both A and B, and option D, none. The right answer to the question is both A and B, a pool of water and a hydraulic jump. Question number 22 we have, if H and D are the water drops and depth in bed level at its are the fall, the width B of trapezoidal crest is given by B equals 0.55 under root H plus D. What is other name of flood irrigation? Option A, flow irrigation, option B, lift irrigation, option C, surface irrigation, or option D, uncontrolled irrigation. The right answer to the question is uncontrolled irrigation. Flood irrigation is also called uncontrolled irrigation. Question number 24. What type of irrigation is based on gravitation? Flow irrigation. And the question number 25 is, what type of irrigation does the diagram represent? Here is the diagram. So we have to find what type of irrigation is this. Please comment on the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.